Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in today's video I'll be telling you about how you can make $1,650 from home using your phone and an internet connection. The most interesting part is anybody can do this, which means you don't have to have any kind of certificate or requirement. Everything that you need is your phone and an internet. If you live in a third world country like Nigeria, then you know that $1,650 at today's exchange rate of 730 naira is far above 1 million naira. Wow. If you are new here, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about apps and websites that can make you money online. So if you are looking for videos ways to make money online, I would advise that you like and subscribe to this channel so you can get to see my videos each time that I drop them. So with that being said, let us dive right straight into the content. Like I have always said, that the internet is filled with emails of opportunities and you just have to find your own niche. A lot of people make millions online, and you as a person can also make money online whenever you are ready to make money online. So this website pays you $1,650 or more submitting your stories to them. This emphasis on more because you can actually make more than $1,650 from this website. I'm saying you can make up to $5,000, $10,000 from this website. Yeah, there are a lot of people making this amount from this same. First question you might want to ask is this website legit? Is it legit? Yeah, it is legit. And the second question you might want to ask is, what am I going to be doing on this website? I mean, hold on that. This is the essence of this video, right? So let us check out the benefit of this website. Yeah, so checking out the benefit of this website, I am using my laptop screen. So when you are using your phone, it might be smaller in size. You know, the laptop screen is wider. So if you are using your phone, it can be smaller in size. So let's go on with the benefit of this website. So there are two types of contracts on this website. We have the exclusive contract and we have the non-exclusive contract. Now it says here, as you can see on the screen, every word counts. Now number two, exclusive. This is for the exclusive contract. This is what you will get when you have the exclusive contract. It says signing bonus, and then the completion bonus, the monthly attendance bonus, plus standing out bonus. And then when you sign a non-exclusive contract, then you can only have 50% profit share. Now that, let us go on to read what they ask for. As you can see on the screen, it says exclusive reward. This is when you have the exclusive contract. Now the exclusive reward for what you'll be doing on this website is, number one, the signing bonus. It says here, $100 will be added to your account when your exclusive book reaches 30,000 word counts. Alright, so the second exclusive bonus, the exclusive reward, is update with 50,000 words for 25 days or more in a month. You will receive $150 as the month MBA. MBA means monthly attendance bonus. So when you sign your book on a contract, yeah, you get $100, and then when you update 50,000 words in a month, you get $150. So that makes $250. Let's go on and see what they have for us. Now they say here, they say completion bonus. As you can see on the screen, completion bonus. Now it says when completed with 120,000 words to 150,000 words, you will get $250. Yeah, it says when completed with 150,000 words to 200,000 words, you get $325. Yeah, so it says when completed with 200,000 words, you get completion bonus, completion reward of $400. Now let's say your novel, your story ends at 200,000 words. You have $400 plus 250, then you have $650. Yeah, Now, there is more. They say standing out bonus. When your blog completes with 300,000 words, you get $1,000 plus. So what are you going to be doing on this website per se? So you might want to go to this website, www.goodnovel.com, as you can see on the screen, goodnovel.com. Don't worry, it will flash up on the screen so you can see this. So what you want to do right now is that you want to go to login. So if you don't have an account yet, you can just register for an account with them, or you can just log in. So I already have an account with them, and I will only be logging in right now. Okay, I am logged into my account right now, and as you can see on the screen that this website is all about novels. Now, how people make money on this website is writing their stories on this website. As you can see on the screen, this website has a lot of writers and a lot of readers. People come here to read day by day, and people come here to write day after day. Now, this is different from Amazon KDP. This is different from Goodreads. This is a method whereby you put out your book and a reader unlocks your book. When a reader unlocks your book, now the money goes to you. When your money reaches the threshold of $100 in a month, now the money will be paid out to you through your Payoneer account or your bank account. Now, if you are in Nigeria, I would advise that you open a domiciliary bank account, because if you use your Naira account, then you will be losing more money, in the sense that when they send out the money to you, the bank will remove their own charges, and the bank rate is not advisable. So you want to use your domiciliary bank account, and you will only convert your money at the Bureau exchange. Now, they have two methods of paying out their money, which is bank account, like I said earlier, and also Payoneer. So you can also put your domiciliary account inside your Payoneer account, so you can withdraw money into your Payoneer account, into your domiciliary account from Payoneer instead of your Naira account, so you don't get to lose money. All right. So on this website, the most thriving story, the story that are doing so well are the romance books. So if you are considering to start writing on this novel, make sure that you start writing romance book, because people love to read romance book on this website, and romance book are those books that are performing so very well on this website. So we are going to go to create. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'll be putting out a book, so I'm also going to try to apply for a contract for the sake of this demonstration. So the title of this book is My University Days. My University Days. Okay, so I'm targeting the audience. If you are conversant with putting out stories or writing stories, then you will know that female audience love to read romance. They love to read any kind of book that deals with romance, love, mafia, or any kind of book that deals with warlord or something. So for the male audience, they like books that deals with maybe vampire, werewolf. They love any kind of video games book. They love something action. So this book is My University Days, so it deals with it's about romance. So I'm going to target the female audience. I'm just going to target the female audience. So content rating, yeah, because the content of the story is it's about sex and everything, so I'm just going to put 18 plus. So novel type, this is original, not fan. Before I go on, let me quickly note that the fan fiction might not be able to get a contract. So if you are doing this, if you are applying for a contract, if you are putting out your book here, make sure that your book is an original book, not a fan fiction. So okay, Jane, so I'm just going to choose romance. Right, so the tags, I'm just going to choose something that deals with my protagonist, the hero of my book. So the hero of this book is somehow crazy, and then intelligent, and then sweet, manipulative. Then let's choose something more. Okay, I'm not saying this. Okay, let's choose the settings. Okay, let's choose secret crush. Okay, let me just, so as not to waste our time, let me just choose anything. So okay, I always choose maximum of a sound tag. So just for the sake of this video, so I'm going to put my email, because it is very necessary that I put my email so I can get a feedback if I get a contract or not. So I'm going to do that later on, because I don't want my email to be visible, you know. So okay, participants. All right, so let me just choose. Okay, this is about no contest, so I might not actually choose anything. Yeah. Okay. Alright, the synopsis, just write the synopsis. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to type nonsense. Okay, but if you are writing yours, make sure that your synopsis is up to 300 words and everything. So let me write my email right now. I'm going to post this video now. I'm going to write my email and I'm going to come back to the video. Okay, I've written my email. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload a book cover. So I'm just going to click book cover from my device. So I'm going to, alright, so let me just cancel this. Let me just see, come on my device, yeah, select, alright, so let me go into my pictures. I think I should have a book cover here. Okay, no. So alright, book covers. Right, so my university days, I can just put this, and alright, okay, so my book cover is uploaded. So let me just click on create right now. Alright, now my my book cover has been created. Now what is required of me right now is for me to put out 5,000 words and I can apply for the contract. So as you can see here on title chapter, as you can see on the screen, on title chapter, so I'm just going to say chapter 1, so chapter 1, and I'm going to come back. Okay, chapter 1, and so I'm going to copy the chapter 1 of my book and I'm going to upload it here until I get to 5,000 words. Alright, so let's do that right now. So I already opened my chapter, my book in the WPS, my Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to copy this. Alright, just going to copy that. Okay, alright, so copy this and I'm just going to paste this here, right there, like this, and I am going to okay, now this is publish. Now that was 2,000 As you can see here, 2,357 words. So I'm going to copy another chapter. Let's say chapter 2. Alright. So chapter 2. Let me copy this. As you can see on the screen, chapter 2. So I'm going to copy that. Wow. Okay. Alright. Chapter 2. That's copied. So I'm going to paste it right there. So I'm going to click on publish. So the chapter 2 was 4,406 words. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to apply for the contract. Alright, so what we want to do right now is to click on the icon here. So I'm just going to go into my dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. This is the novel, the story I just created. This is my writing calendar, and this should be where I can see my income whenever whenever people unlock my chapters. And this is where I will see my stories, as you can see on the screen. This is where I will see any kind of notification. Maybe somebody commented on my story, somebody reviewed my book, somebody liked my story, and everything. This is where I'm going to see everything, and this is where I'm going to see my book ranking and everything. So now what concerns us right now is to apply for the contract. As you can see right here, it says apply for contract. So I'm just going to click on that right now. Alright, it says your book is under review right now. Please apply for a contract later on. So later on, I think in the next 24 hours or in the next 48 hours, your book should be free from review. So once your book has been reviewed and it tallies with the Good Novel policy, the rules and regulation, then you can apply for a contract. Inside the contract, you'll be asked for outline. Make sure you draft a good outline. You'll be asked for synopsis. You'll be asked for age. You'll be asked for documents. Make sure you have your document, your national ID. Yeah, the paper slip name can be used. And if you don't have your national ID yet, you can use your parents and everything. So if you have any question, please drop it out in the comment section. I'm going to reply to every question as soon as possible. And also, you can also get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping a link to my contact or my WhatsApp in the video description. So make sure you check it out. And you can also follow me on Twitter to get in touch with me if you want to. Alright then, this is all guys, and thank you for seeing this video. I will see you in my next video.